Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can add your HONOR X8c to a lost/stolen database of the IMEI.info website using the IMEI number. So to get your IMEI number, you just have to go to your phone app and dial this number right here, and this is the quickest way to access your IMEI number. Now go to the IMEI.info website and type it in. You will get some basic info about your phone, and down here you will find the lost device ad. Now you have to fill out the form and press report stolen IMEI, and you can also watch what happens if you add it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.